Hello, everyone. Welcome to the next episode of HP Labs podcast from Research to Reality. In the next week's episode, I have a great honor and pleasure to host four outstanding technologists, participants of the IEEE-Computer-Society's 2026 Technology Predictions. These are four who stood out of 114, and they'll be talking about...
Yes, I will be talking about physical AI, how it's transformed the entire AI wave from digital transformation to actually the physical world, where we will see many interesting applications. I'm also going to talk about how AI is transforming workforce and what we can do about it. And then I'm also going to talk about some technologies that have an honorable mention with our high risk reward framework.
Thank you, Mrinal. Puneet?
I will be talking about how AI has become omnipresent in these predictions, or as in Sanskrit, they like to say atra tatra sarvatra. And also being omnipresent, we are going to actually sort of see a lot of energy consumption. Data centers, which are going to consume 1 gigawatt of power, equivalent to San Jose, city of San Jose. And of course, a word of caution that even though AI is omnipresent, we should refrain from AI washing.
Thank you, Puneet. Bojana?
Yes, and I'll be talking about assurance layers in AI pipelines, about quality versus quantity, the renewed emphasis on quality, about impact to humanities versus risk for all of these technologies, including some of the outliers in positive and negative ways, and reimagining all for new purposes.
Thank you, Bojana. Tom?
Thanks, Dejan. So I'll be talking about AI and governance, which is how we as a society maximize our use of artificial intelligence. This extends from the mundane, like ChatGPT and chatbots, all the way up to biosciences like engineered living therapies. And I'm saying, don't be afraid of technology. We'll work through this together. That's what I'll be talking about.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So please join us. You'll hear about Atra, Tatra, Sarvatra, and many other interesting insights.
One thing that surprised me during this effort is how tightly the future of AI and generally computer sciences is becoming linked with the future of energy.
I hope that these predictions will be helpful to all of you, particularly to young researchers who could find which are the technologies that are expected to have major impact and development in the future.
I think this work is important for getting professionals from industry, academia, and government to give their opinions on important technologies. And I learned about various technologies by interacting with this diverse group.
The question which we really ask ourselves is not so much to make predictions only. It's much more about how do we enable the future. That's our role in IEEE Computer.